In the last 14 days, COVID cases are down 20% nationally, but in Minnesota, cases are up more than 30%. According to the New York Times, much of the increase is because of a surge in cases with children. The state is now reporting 3,000 cases per week in children under 12. On just one day last week, 514 COVID cases were reported in K through 12 schools. 441 were among students. For some perspective here, Esme Murphy spoke with the chief of general pediatrics of Children's Minnesota Hospitals.
We caught up with Dr. Gigi Chawla just before she made her rounds at Children's Hospital.
So please get your child vaccinated.
Her plea comes as she continues to see very sick kids.
On average, we have at least 12 kids hospitalized every day with COVID, and at least half of those are in our ICUs trying to recover from COVID illness.
But kids that are eligible for the vaccine have among the lowest vaccination rates of all Minnesotans. Just 54% of 12 to 15-year-olds have gotten at least one vaccination shot. For 16 and 17-year-olds, that figure is 59%. That's compared to the 73% of adults 18 and over.
Really, the best thing you can do for your child is to get them vaccinated. Tried and true are the millions of people across the world who have been vaccinated and vaccinated safely.
The doctor says the collateral damage from COVID is also hitting children hard in another way.
For every 4 deaths in the United States, one child has been left without a parent or their primary caregiver. And that is just a tremendous amount of grief that children are going to have to go through.
And there is another factor contributing to serious health concerns for kids. In a case of terrible timing, RSV, a dangerous respiratory virus, is also surging right now.
RSV, respiratory syncytial virus, which normally peaks in the wintertime for us, and we are seeing that peak now on top of kids also presenting with other respiratory illnesses like COVID.
Esme Murphy, WCCO 4 News.
Experts say a vaccine for children under 12 could be available in just a matter of weeks.